Honorable Speaker Ma'am, I would like to ask a question to the question party that why all the government sectors like hospital, railways, buses, company, industries and the most important government sector which is India depend, Army, Navy and Air Force are becoming private. Because of this, public have to face a lot of problems like good rate and goods rate, transportation, medicines rate are increases and whose all employees are work for our country doesn't get pension in the present time. Because of this, they have to face so many problems in their old ages. They search for jobs for their requirement. What do you work in this field?
मैं इसका आंसर का जवाब देना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम्स क्या थी। जितने हमारे गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में काम करने वाले एम्प्लॉयज़ थे, उनके रिटायरमेंट के बाद उनकी सैलरी का 50% हिस्सा दिया जाता था, जो उनके मरने के बाद उनके फैमिली को भी मिलता था। लेकिन 2003 में अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी के द्वारा इसके ऊपर स्टडी करने से ये पता चला कि जो हमारे देश के जीडीपी में 16% टैक्स का हिस्सेदारी होता था, उसमें से 12-13% इन लोगों को दिया जाता था जो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज़ थे, जिसका अगर हम उस समय की
आदरणीय स्पीकर महोदय, मेरा प्रश्न सत्ता पक्ष से ये है, बिहार में गिरते पुलों के मामले रोजाना सामने आ रहे हैं। इन पुलों में होने वाली दुर्घटनाओं का जिम्मेदार कौन है? 2012 से लेकर 2023 तक इनमें लगभग 225 लोगों की मृत्यु हो चुकी है। इन दुर्घटनाओं का जिम्मेदार आखिर कौन है?
Honorable Speaker, thank you for bringing this important issue. The collapse of Bihar is truly alarming, and my heart goes out to everyone who were affected. To make sure this doesn't happen again, we are taking immediate steps. We have paused any work by the same builder until we are sure that they are doing the things correct. Looking ahead, we know changes are needed. We will be making many laws. Construction rules stricter with more inspection and better oversight to generate high quality work. Only the best and the most reliable builder will be allowed to work on the projects. As the Road and Transport Minister, I promise that we will do everything we can do for the safety of our bridges and roads. And see, we have learned a hard lesson from this and we will use to build better. Thank you.
Respected Speaker, my question is that why did the Prime Minister not visit Manipur? What is the reason behind this? People want to know. The Prime Minister has lots of time to visit foreign country, but there was no time to visit on country.
Respected Mrs. Chairperson, in our nation, in Manipur state, there is a conflict between the Kuki and Mehi communities. This is the matter of the concern of nation and whatever is the happening in Manipur at this time is affecting the whole country. And Honorable Chairman, the Home Minister held a serious meeting on a Manipur some times ago in great detail without any politics that a solution to the problems of Manipur could be found. The effort were made to stop the violence in Manipur, and it is no necessary that the problems there will be solved only when the Prime Minister goes to Manipur. The Prime Minister has formed many new security organizations. There was so that and the atmosphere of peace can be created here, and have full faith that with time the sun of the peace will rise in the Manipur. और रही बात 1947 में भी विपक्ष की सरकार थी और उस समय भी इस समस्या की शुरुआत हुई थी, तो राष्ट्र के हित के लिए आपने इस समस्या पर कुछ नहीं किया। हालांकि आप चाहते तो 1947 जबकि आपकी सरकार थी उस समय इस समस्या का समाधान कर सकते थे। और आखिरी में मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि प्रजातंत्र के पेड़ पर कौवा करे किलोर, टेप रिकॉर्डर में भरे चमगादड़ के बोल, नित्य नई योजना बन रही जन जन के कल्याण की, सब साथ मिलकर बोलो जय बोलो ईमान की।
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, first of all, I say that in our country, India, competition has been increasing over the year and we have shortage of a college in India. So my question is from IT Minister, how many new IIMs, IITs and central universities does the government plan to establish in the next 5 years to address the shortage and the timeline of establishing new IIMs? What measure has the government taken to support IITs and IIMs students affected by the pandemic? And how does it impact the quality of education? And BJP plans to address the faculty shortage and infrastructure deficits in a newly established institute ensuring they meet the driving standard. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, Madam, I want to answer the question. The Ministry of Electricity and Information Technology is an executive agency of the Union Government of the Republic of India. It was carved out of the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology on 19 July 2060 as the...
Give me my right answer. This is not answer, right answer.
Question number 26. Question number 26.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, through you, I would like to ask this question from Ministry of Women and Child Development that India has the largest population where more than 35 crores of people are below the poverty line, but around 25 million of children take birth every year. So, those families that are below the poverty line can not feed their children. So those malnourished children can never be an asset for the country, and that will cause a very huge impact on the development of the country. So what will the Ministry of Women and Child Development say of this?
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, I want to give my answer that our government is working in many ways in the development of the women and societies on various sectors. Like government is doing well such as education, livelihood, careers, jobs and self-employment. We are giving the cylinders to the rural women which will protect them from the dangerous smokes of firewood. Second, for completely abolishing untouchability, we are employing Dalit women especially to do cook food in the midday meal scheme on the go out school. Third, for children, we are doing campaigning and beware education is necessary for each and every children. Fourth, we are abolishing to taking action on child labor also. When the children are below the 14 years of age, we can forcibly work in the factories, companies and other jobs. And eight, especially we are working for girl child